feeling a little claustrophobic, you can come out here, get some fresh air, see the sky, find out if it's day or night time.
Currently daytime.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we are on the Halcyon Galactic Star Cruiser, and we are going to walk around and explore the ship and give you a full tour of everything there is to see. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun, so stick around and check it out. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so like Lou said, we're here on the Star Cruiser, super excited. We are going to give you guys a full tour and show you guys all the cool things that we can see here. Maybe have some lunch, maybe, I don't know, see some Star Wars training, or maybe see some lightsaber training, check out the break, and check out, you know, my favorite part of the gift shop. So, let's go. My Defender of the Galaxy. Alright, nice honey. Alright guys, so these two doors here, these are the launch pads. These are where we were able to launch from Disney World up into outer space. So from here over to the right we have the bridge. That's where we're going to do some training and maybe learn how to fly this thing, which is pretty exciting. And then in this main area right here is the Atrium. This is where a lot of activities take place and start. So we're excited to be here on the first floor. Back through this door over here, where you see the purple, is a lounge. I'm pretty sure we can probably get some drinks in there later, which is pretty exciting. Heading over to the right is guest services. So if you have questions or need something in your experience, that's where you go. And as of right now, the gift shop looks a little busy, so we'll check that out later. So, but I think pretty soon we're gonna have a muster.
Yeah.
So we're going to meet our captain and check out all the cool things too.
Figure out how we need to evacuate the ship in the case of an emergency.
Yes. But what's pretty cool is, just like in our room, our droid friend is here. What was her name? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
Okay, but she's also in our room. And I'll link the video in the description down below, where we gave you guys a full room tour of a standard room here on the Star Cruiser. So let's go peek in the lounge, and then we'll go downstairs.
Yeah. Well, did you see like the windows over here where you can see out the...
So looking at the windows, we see a planet there. Over here we see the Star Cruiser, or other ship, not sure what that is. We see another planet over there. But maybe let's pop into the control room, not the control room, the bridge, and get a bird's eye view what it looks like in there.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like from up front.
Alright, cool. Alright, so heading in here now. Get to check out all the cool things. Very nice. Wow. So we have some control panels here, some joysticks, control sticks. I don't think we call them joysticks. But we see all kinds of spacecraft out there. Neat. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I can't wait till we get to jump to hyperspace.
I hear that's the thing that we might be able to do.
I just hope we don't go plaid.
I don't get it.
Spaceballs.
Oh.
They go so fast they go plaid.
Oh, okay.
That's why the Tesla Model Plaid came from, because it's so fast. It's a Spaceballs reference.
Did not know that. Okay. Alright guys. So there are two entrances to the bridge. We're going to pan over here to the right. And it does look like, though, there are beverages here. We can check out and see what those are. Yes, right here in the atrium you have your options of chilled sparkling water, chilled flat water, or ambient flat water. So room 10. Alright.
Who likes ambient flat water?
People who aren't from Florida.
Always go chill.
Yes. Alright guys, so there's the bridge, there's the tap water, or the cold water. Fanning over to the left, we are going to head over to the Sublight Lounge and just take a peek in. I don't think we're going to get any drinks today, but maybe we will later. So, it looks like to be an exciting place to be right now. That's pretty busy, huh?
Yeah. This is the lounge?
Yeah, the Sublight Lounge. Yeah.
This is where you can... This is where the spot, you come to play Spock, right?
Yeah, I think so. You can play Sabak in here later, yeah.
I wonder if this is the spot.
Oh, maybe, yeah. So I think that's the Sabak table, or some sort of table. So maybe we'll come back later and figure it out. It's a busy place right now. I think everyone's ready to kick off their cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely seems like a cool place to hang out though.
Yeah. Alright, So moving from the right from the sublight lounge, heading over this way, we have some restrooms back there. We have some steps that are for crew members only. We have some elevators that will take you to anywhere your heart desires. But the cool thing is, as you can see kind of right here, there are some data pads and some control stations.
Yeah, so as you go through the
experience,
there'll be different missions you have to accomplish, and some of them may lead you to these data pads where you have to complete those.
Sure.
One interesting little detail I just noticed here is on all these benches, they actually do have sockets along with USB, so if you ever need to charge your data pads while you're here, just bring along a cable. You can use the USB charger built into the bench.
Nice.
And I have to say that so far...
Hello. Hi. You look nice.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. I'm Christine. Nice to meet you.
One.
Meet you. Wani, nice to meet you. Yeah. Nice. Aw. That's fun. That's cool. That was like our first interaction with somebody who works here. Nice. All right, so over there is the sublight lounge. There are the elevators. Heading over to the right is the Chandralok Collection. If you're interested in buying some souvenirs, this is where you would come and do it. Hi. Can we go in? Okay, thank you. All right, cool. So if you're not able to find items and clothes of your heart's desire on Earth or in your home planets, feel free to shop here. So, all right.
They have the official Chandralok Starline lightsabers.
Oh, nice.
So these are $50.
Yeah.
Looks like it's... I'm not sure.
Probably can decorate it a little bit to make it look a little bit more like yours.
These are different tunics and such. So these ones here are $70 for blue or gray.
Yeah.
The gray definitely feels like a bit more sturdy.
Yeah. Here's what that one looks like for $70. All right. Nice.
And then even like the t-shirts here, this is also $70.
Yeah. Well, I don't think that's a t-shirt. I think that's like a shirt.
Well, it's a t-shirt, but it's like silk lined.
Yeah. Okay.
Which is hot.
It is warm in here. If you're interested in other items, they have a couple of like shorter jackets here. Full robe. We have some gloves. You can get a magic, an M-band, I guess you call them here, for $30. And some jewelry. Very nice. Some hats. All right. Let's keep going. Yeah, so for all of you lightsaber fans out there, there is a exclusive legacy hilts for your lightsaber.
So there's $170.
Wow. Alright. And if you're interested in just a regular shirt from the cruise, these run for $40. If you're interested in a zip-up sweater, this runs for $60. Got pockets. Alright, so leaving the Chandralok Collection, we're going to head downstairs and see what we can find downstairs.
Let's go.
Alright, so we are currently on deck 5 and our room is back that way. And then we're going to head downstairs to the cabins. Alright. So we just came down those steps right there, and to the left here, we have some restrooms.
You mentioned we're on deck 5 now?
Oh.
Or deck 4.
Okay.
So the Atrium was on deck 6. We passed by deck 5 on the way down. That's just all cabins. That's where our cabin is. And now we're on deck 4, which is where the main dining room is.
Yes. Yes. Alright. So it looks like there are two options to enter the dining room, but I think as of right now, because it's lunch, this entrance is closed. So we'll go around the other way to show you guys that way. Oh, what's this way? So we're still on deck 4. Oh, okay. Here's a lightsaber training pod section, which is awesome. And this is the climate simulator. Oh, okay.
So when I first opened my data pad, the first thing that I got was a notification from the captain, and she told me to explore the whole ship. And I asked her where I should go. And she said that this was one of her favorite places. So let's go check this out.
All right, let's go.
It is warm.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, this is nice though. It's like a living garden outside, which is really cool.
Well, it's not outside, right? This is a climate simulator. We're simulating the climate of Florida here.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
Apparently, yeah.
You were so backlit. Okay.
So I think it will also rain in here at times, depending on the climate.
Okay. Well, nice. Got some fans. So, alright. Well, this is cool. Let's talk some rocks. Check out some cool plants. And we're gonna just keep moving.
Yeah, but in all seriousness, this is probably actually a neat feature because you spend so much of your time inside the cruise ship. If you do need a little bit of fresh air, come to the climate simulator room. You know, feel like you at least get outside a little bit.
Yeah.
If you're feeling a little claustrophobic, you can come out here and get some fresh air, see the sky, find out if it's day or nighttime.
Currently daytime. All right, let's go back inside. I'm hot.
That's why we're simulating the climate of Florida.
I'm like, wow, they're really good here. All right, so then we're going to push it open, and here we go. Okay. All right, so I don't know what these automatic doors do, but I'm assuming. Oh, this is the transportation dock. So this is how we get to Black Spire Outpost excursion. Final shuttle returns at 4 o'clock. So yeah, there we go. This way they have, looks like, some other areas. Some other interesting cargo. So, alright, so back this way, looks like there are some restrooms. So I'm not going to show you guys those because that's weird. We're going to go ahead and head around the other side. Bathrooms. Yeah. Oh. So we were actually doing our own tour. But I think we just crashed like an actual tour. So we're going to see past one. Alright, and then right through this way is the dining room, the Crown of Corellia dining room. Here's where we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then up here we have a stage where we have a show. Maybe later we'll check out the show. I think we have some.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll check out.
Yeah, live entertainment.
One of my favorite things about the dining room though, these chandeliers are amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the iridescent glass on them. They change colors as you walk through.
Yeah, hopefully you're getting that on the camera, but they're super cool, super iridescent. So, alright guys, so we're heading back out of the dining room. Alright guys, so leaving the dining room, heading over this way. Oh, pardon us. Heading over this way. To, what's the cargo room, correct?
The cargo room, yeah.
Alright, let's go check this out. It smells very cargo-y here. It's a cargo hold. I don't know what we can do here. We're gonna find out. Tap the data pad.
We don't have access.
Oh, should I?
Special credentials required.
Oh, okay. Excuse us.
These guys have access to them.
Yeah, well that might. Okay.
It depends on the mission that you're on. You may get access to that area or not.
Okay. Alright guys, so here's the dining room. There's the cargo area. We're gonna head back this way. Alright guys, so we're heading. Sorry. No, pardon me. Alright guys, to the right is the dining room, heading over this way to the brig. This is jail. So we gotta be careful in there. So once you leave the brig, heading over to the engineering room. And there's some things to check out in here too, but I think you have to be part of a mission to do that. So we will come back and check out all those things.
Yeah, so this is another one of the special access required rooms. So honestly, we probably don't even supposed to have access to this, but we just follow somebody else in here.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna.
One way to get around the ship if you're not supposed to get everywhere.
Yeah. All right, we're heading deeper into the engine room. All right, we'll have to come back and do the excursion with this one, the experience rather. Alright, so in the engine room, a lot of things to look at and see and touch and move. So, looks pretty interesting so far. Alright, so plenty of things to touch and see. Lewis is definitely in his element. He was moving all these things around. But I'm pretty sure if we keep doing this whole ship is going to come to a grinding halt.
Yeah,
Oh, it's green. Good job. So after leaving in the engineer room, heading over to the left, there are more staterooms. And you notice here where it says special credentials required, that's where you need to do a special thing on your data pad to be able to make all those things happen, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, so we have seen the bridge, the sublight lounge, the gift shop, the launching pod docks and cabins. We've seen the dining room, we've seen Lightsaber Training Pad. Did we see that one yet? I don't think we've seen that one.
We went by it, we can't get in there yet.
Oh, okay. Alright, and so we've seen the climate simulator and the transportation dock as well as other places we weren't supposed to see.
Yep, so we've seen everything that there is to see.
Yeah.
Well, that's going to do it for today. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know, what area on the ship was your favorite area? And we'll see you next weekend. Ready? But although, having mentioned that, it kind of reminds me of like a prison, courtyard. Check everything out, see what all there is to see, and just see and explore.
Hey, I think that's open to the outside.
It is, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know.
Check out what?
Check out all the cool parts of the ship.
Yeah. Yeah, well, the whole time I was pretending like it's a climate simulator.
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you need some fresh air, we're outside.
Yeah.
Right. Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today,
scanning over to the right, you see the break. So we're gonna go in there in just a second. This is the main atrium. This is where the hustle and bustle is. You got plenty of seating, plenty of cool places to check out. There are some photo.
the bridge, not the brig, right? It's the brig.
Oh, okay. And heading over. Oh, we're not heading over here. They're down here. What'd you say?
Carbon dioxide gas can cause injury or death. The alarm was activated. You're not in there.
No.
No, it's a kitchen.
Yeah. Okay.
Galley.
Correct.